down to our last project of the year, which is our large retail scheme. And this is sponsored by MK Illumination. I'd like to invite up to the stage again Thomas Mark and also Marjana Severniak to come up and join us hand this one out.
And here are the nominees.
Marjana joining us today? Oh, okay. All right.
Gala Mall, Somex Investment Belarus, Galeria Północna, GTC Poland, Skender Shopping Center, IKEA Centers Poland, and Wroclavia Unibail-Rodamco Poland.
Okay, great. So Thomas, thank you very much for supporting our event once again and handing out this award.
I forgot to thank my team. Thanks for my Polish team and for our clients. And the winner is, surprise, surprise, Wroclavia Unibail-Rodamco.
Unibail-Rodamco Poland for retail project large of the year.
Congratulations, yeah. I knew the architects were coming, so yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations. Like there's no tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow.
Thanks again, Wroclavia. What a big adventure. So thank you very much to our architects, Abia Massimesfuyan and Marek and Witold, who did an impressive job. I think that many of you tenants are very happy with that center, with really skyrocketing. So we are really, really happy with this new iconic center, new landmark, and really thank you to all of you, and thank you to you who did it, Jan, Witold, and Marek. So the award is for you.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations again, and
any photo?
come join us for a photo.